Hi! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is Abby, Domingo Vlog. So it's been a while since I made a new video regarding credit card. Yes, so itong video na to ay actually unboxing siya ng bagong card na nakuha ko or na-receive ko. Usually naman nag-a-apply lang ako sa SM kasi alam mo na inaabangan natin yung mga free items or nag-a-upgrade ako ng card. So, I actually forgot na talaga kung anong card to. At the same time, hindi ko na talaga siya maalala kung paano ako nag-apply dito. So, ito ay na-deliver siya sa Bukawi. Buti nga iniwan eh. Usually kasi kung walang authorized mo, hindi nila tatanggapin. But kasi nung time na dineliver to, kausap ko yung rider and nakisuyo lang ako na iwan kasi nga hindi na kami nakatira doon and hindi ko pa na-update yung address ko sa card na yon. So now, ito siya, Ninja Van yung gamit. Ayan. Ayan, sobrang tagal na to. Ngayon ko lang siya naisipang i-video. So, at first, I thought, ano siya, RCBC, but, ano siya, East-West. East-West na naman. I don't know bakit ang dami kong East-West na. Kasi, actually, papakita ko sa inyo. Meron akong East-West na gold. Gold nga nila. And, hindi ko pa nga ito na-activate eh. Hindi ko pa siya na-activate. Pero may East-West na naman akong na-receive. Ano bang trip ng East-West? Well, in fairness, so let's see kung magkano yung limit na binigay. Wow! It's 240. Ngayon, ano ba yung limit ko sa current card nila ngayon? I think around 200 na din yung limit na binigay nila sa akin. So ngayon, 240. I'm not sure kung yung BDO or yung East-West ko yung may malaking credit limit. But ito, ayan. And I can cash advance up to 168. Di ba? Ang laki. And every 15 of the month din yung kanyang statement date, which is 24 days. O yung due date niya is 24 days after the statement date. So, I'm not sure what kind of card is this. Oh, parang yung dati naman din card to eh. So, ang binigay nila sa akin is East-West Visa Platinum. So, Platinum na naman. Visa na naman siya. Parang yung dati kong card, ganyan na din kulay. Gray. Parang gray. So, ano ba to? Gray or black? Pero, ang ganda ng card. Sobrang ganda ng card. Wait lang. So, wait lang. May bumibili lang. I'll be back. Ayan. So, may short pause lang dahil nasa tindahan ako. Nakikita niyo naman. So, in fairness, no, ang ganda ng card. Oh, pakita ko. May details. Ayan. Diba ang ganda? Parang metallic gray siya. So, ang ganda-ganda niya. Bread pan. Wala ata akong bread pan. So, ayun. Ang ganda niya. Metallic gray. And it's platinum. Alam ko platinum na din tong isa. Ano ba tong ano na to? East-West na binigay nila. Ito yung current card. Actually, gray din. Mas maganda lang. Mas metallic lang to. Tapos, ito yung gold. Diba? Puro Visa. So, ito siya. Ano ba yan? So, for activation pa siya. Ano ba yung mga perks nitong card na to? Let's see. Itong outlet na binigay nila. Outlet? Itong card na binigay nila. Oh my God. Na ano ko na siya. So, ito siya. Turbocharged, yung taray. Turbocharged East-West Visa Platinum made with richer with captivating rewards, features, and perks that you will surely love. So dito, shopping, dining, or travel, all of the above, an eye-popping cashback rate of 8% and 8.88%. So mataas daw yung cashback rate. Another thing is leave no spend unrewarded. So get 3% cashback on all other categories. Free travel accident and inconvenience insurance up to 20 million. Low foreign currency conversion of 1.70. And with our premium perks and Visa Platinum privileges, you are ensured to enjoy dining offers, seasonal promotions, and private sales at all throughout the year. So always at your beck and call. Oh, taray. So ayan. Parang yun lang naman yung usual na ano niya. So, parang ito yung sample transaction ng ano nila. So, parang more on cash reward tong ano na to, card na to. So, let's say for example, nagkaroon ako ng single receipt transaction sa isang apparel or department store of 2,000. Meron siyang cash reward na 177 and 60 cents. So, ganun siya. Sa restaurant, 2.5. Sa water utilities, 88. So, every transaction talaga meron siyang cashback. So, I guess it's the cash reward talaga yung pinaka-ano niya. So, your cash reward shall be rounded down to the nearest peso and reflected in the cash reward summary option. Oh, parang pinagtatrabahuan ko lang. Nearest dollar. Charot. Ito naman nearest peso. Okay. So, ayun lang naman siya. So, pag alam mo, ang napansin ko, if it's more on cash reward na card, mahal ang annual fee. Sige, let's try to check magkano yung annual fee ng card na to. Kasi more on cashback siya eh. So, parang doon nila kasi binabawi. Anong pangalan ng card? What was the name? East-West Visa Platinum. Visa Platinum. Diba? Actually, ito ganyan din yung itsura ng dati kong card. Ewan ko kung maliwanag sa part mo. Parang mas ano lang kasi siya, pinaganda lang yung style. Metallic na yung datingan niya. Ganun siya. So, ang annual fee niya, diba, mahal nga. Ang annual fee nito ay 3,600. So, nawa-wave naman siya upon reaching 1.5 minimum, accumulated spend for the past 12 months from card anniversary date. Tapos, yung supplementary card niya ay 1.8. So, interest charge is 3% per month. Interest niya per month, yun. Ayan. Ayun yung sinasabi niya. Meron pa mga sinasabi dito na meron kang 5,000 welcome cash reward. Get 5,000 bonus cash reward upon reaching your first 10,000 retail spend within 2 months from card activation day. So, this offer is exclusive to a newly approved Visa Platinum card. So, yun yung sinasabi niya. Ayun. So, that's it for this new card, which I guess hindi ko naman di siya i-activate. So, yung cash advance, service fee, and interest charge is 200 pesos per cash availment and 3% interest charge imposed on the cash advance and cash advance service fee shall accrue from the date of availment until full settlement or payment of the latest total statement balance. So, late payment charge is 1.5. Over credit limit fee is 700. So, ayun lang naman yung mga, ano niya, tawag dito, details when it comes to payment. But let's see yung perks niya kung lalabas dito.
Balad po.
So, ayun lang mga B for perks and benefits niya. Hindi naman sumagot si Google. So, more on cash reward talaga siya. And, premium, perks, Visa, Platinum.
Mami, cellphone ako.
So, yun lang guys. More on, siya, cash reward talaga. So, yun lang naman yung pinaka-main, perks ng card na to. So, thank you for watching. If you have question, just comment sa comment section, of course. And nakalagay naman dito on how you activate it. So, ayun lang naman. Very easy to contact with East West kasi we have ESTA. And what I like sa East West is when it comes to annual fee, madali lang siyang request per wave. Reversal. Quiet. Madali lang naman siya for reversal because all you need to do is to spend the required amount na pinapagastos nila sa iyo using the card, and you will be able to get a reversal sa iyong annual fee. So, kaya I decided na i-keep ko siya. So, ang dami ko na kasing card and I'm planning to bawasan na talaga kasi there are times na nakakalimutan ko yung due date and nagbabayad ako ng annual fee, but nire-request ko naman siya ng reversal and most of them na-approve but most of them hindi, which is that's totally fine because it's my fault, diba? So ayun lang naman. Thank you for watching. So bye for now.